In this video, I will guide you on how to tag someone in Instagram bio. If you want to tag someone in Instagram bio, then the first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you land on your profile, tap on edit profile. Now you will find the option of bio, select that. Here you simply want to type in a message. After that, you want to type in and then type in the username. Make sure that the username is correct. After that, you can simply tap on this checkmark option. Now it's going to look something like this. You head back. You will find that person's username in your bio in this way. When you tap on it, the user's profile will open up. Now, if you want to remove that person from your Instagram bio, then tap on the edit profile option and you simply want to erase the username. Then save this. If you head back, that person will no longer appear on your bio. In this way, you can easily tag someone in Instagram bio, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.